Hello there and welcome back to our channel, English with Vervaras. I am Vivian, your English teacher. Today we have an exciting topic, how to think in English. It's not just about speaking, it's about immersing yourself in the language at a deeper level. We have 10 tips for you today, so I hope you like them, and here they are. Tip number 1, the power of thinking in English. First things first. Now let's understand why thinking in English matters. When you think in English, you bypass the translation process, which means faster and more fluent conversations. Your brain naturally processes ideas and concepts in your dominant language, making your English usage smoother and more natural. Tip number 2, build a strong vocabulary foundation. Before you can think in English, you need words to think with. Start by expanding your vocabulary. Label objects around you. Describe your actions and learn new words every day. The richer your vocabulary, the more confidently you can express your thoughts. Tip number 3. Immerse yourself in English. Create an English environment around you. Change your phone language's settings. Watch movies, read books, listen to music, and follow English content on social media. You can even speak to a friend in English only. The more you're exposed to English, the easier it becomes to think in English. So, you ready for this one? Tip number 4, narrate your day. A simple yet effective technique is to narrate your day in English. Describe your activities, your emotions, your thoughts as if you're telling a story. This exercise bridges the gap between your thoughts and your language. Tip number 5, ask and answer questions. Engage in mental conversations. Ask yourself questions and answer them in English. Discuss your preferences, your opinions, and plans. This practice enhances your ability to think on your feet during real conversations. Tip number 6, visualize and dream in English. As you visualize scenarios or even dream, do it in English. This taps into your subconscious and trains your mind to process information directly in the language you're learning. Tip number 7, practice thought linking. Instead of translating each thought, link ideas directly in English. Start with simple sentences and gradually build complexity. This technique minimizes translation and boosts your fluency. Tip number 8, eliminate negative self-talk. Challenge the inner voice that says, I can't do this. Switch it to, I'm learning to think in English. Positive self-talk accelerates your progress. Tip number 9, meaningfulness and observation. Be mindful of your surroundings. Describe what you see, what you feel, and what you hear. Observing the world around you in English enhances your descriptive skills. Tip number 10, practice and consistency. Remember, thinking in English is a process. Be patient with yourself. Consistency is key. Over time, your brain rewires itself to effortlessly think in English. Remember, everything challenging is hard before it starts to get easy. Congratulations! You've embarked on a remarkable journey to master English thinking. Remember, it's all about creating an English-friendly mental space. Practice, immerse, and observe your thinking, dreaming, and processing in English. If you found these tips valuable, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more English learning insights. Share your experiences and challenges in the comments below. Keep thinking, keep growing, and until next time, happy learning. Bye.